Gĩcunjĩ kĩa 60 harĩ igana kĩa ohwo njera-inĩ makoragwo moheirwo mahetia manini. Kĩoho kĩao gĩkĩrũgamĩrĩra mĩeri 6 nginyagia mĩaka 3 ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngagĩrĩria njera kũihũra gũkĩra gĩthimi. Njera-inĩ ciothe bũrũri-inĩ kũrĩ na makĩria ma ohwo 65,000 kũrĩa ohwo 46,000 mohetwo kĩoho kĩa mĩeri 6 nginyagia mĩaka 3. Rĩu thirikari kũgerera rũhonge rwa njera no cenjia wa mĩtugo kĩgathĩka mũbango wa kũmahe kothi citiganĩte.
The Kenya Prison Service is mandated to undertake rehabilitation and reintegration of prisoners back to society. However, the achievement of this mandate is often curtailed by lack of adequate infrastructural facilities to implement rehabilitation and reintegration programs.
Integration has to be part of rehabilitation. If that doesn't happen, you will find that a lot of times inmates or prisoners actually come back. If they are not given an opportunity when they are out in the public to be accepted, to even earn a living, to be respected as members of the public, a lot of times they end up committing crime.
Akiaria njera-inĩ ya Jamhuri gũkũ Nairobi, mwandĩki mũkaru rũhonge-inĩ rwa njera no cenjia wa mĩtugo BIACARA oigĩte nĩ maambĩrĩirie gũcenjia mawatho arĩ njĩra ya kũhĩmbĩria ikundi citarĩ cia gĩthirikari harĩ mogarũrũku rũhonge-inĩ rũrũ.
We are restructuring the way we deal with development partners so that we can maximize the collaboration between the State Department and development partners as well as private sector players in the business environment. We want to structure it. We are structuring it. Actually, it's an ongoing process, and we hope by the end of February 2024, we'll have finalized restructuring so that we can scale up the collaboration we have between the State Department and all development partners, all other stakeholders.
Cynthia Nyamaya, abithaa kuma East Africa, haithũrĩtie megũkorwo makĩnyitanĩra na thirikari gũthomithia kothi nyingĩ kũrĩ ohwo aya iria mateithagia moima njera.
We have business courses that we would like them to take up, also in agriculture. As you can see, we have a big farm right here, and some of them already help out, but we would like them to also understand the business side. Even if you are a farmer, how do you keep the books? Sure.
Mekwaragia thutha wa kũhingũra nyũmba ya mĩcemanio njera-inĩ ĩno ĩrĩa yakĩtwo no nyitanĩri wa gĩkundi kĩa East Africa, honge na andũ kĩũmbe rĩu makĩũrio manyitanĩre na thirikari gũteithĩrĩria gũcenjia mĩtugo ya ohwo.
This is a multi-purpose hall that can be used for various activities, from even the court hearings that inmates usually have. It's going to also be used for training. It is going to be used even for spiritual purposes.
Make sure me maximize ile learning mnaweza pata kule ndani, whether it is religious learning or whether it is social learning or whether it is music, whatever it is, you maximize. Now make sure to maintain in the best condition possible.
Ribotera Kameme TV, Gĩtau wa Wanjikũ.